So guys, sa Daimi karon diri sa magsaysay, nagpahangin-hangin. Wow!
Wow kayo. Okay kayo.
Expectation yung versus reality. Wow! Dagat!
Mami ah.
Ugong dagat no?
Katong guri, katong sa dool nga di natamot-tabok niya. Sa ko nila pato ba katong lalo mga
Sa army.
Wala ka nang murag kuan.
Oo gani. Katong dool sa may ano to.
Aw kina dito di sa man
Dato na lang to sa rabitaw. Sakay ng gudto.
Ba no?
Dili ram ko na kanu Lagi tabang na sila dalaan na sila kuan sana.
Army. Army. Didn't.
Dali click na ba?
Wala ka daw.
Welcome to my vlog.
Dagan. Ito na yung barko nga ka naman, matong Manila.
Mami ah.
O, pwede ka makabot.
Di kayo ba?
Ano, wala ka sa
Hindi ko na diri pagbalik. Kaulan nun.
Oo.
Doon yung itong samal. Guys, sa panginahangin mo diri guys. Wow! Ang bira mo.
Nagbalos. Kaya tapakan. Guys. Nagbalos guys. Tapakan ko guys.
Dami Balik na doon ito.
Butsay. Butsay.
No, para kita imong mothers yun. Wala pa man nagtadampi. Sige lang.
Gani. Ipa na niya karon.
Hindi sa kasakan mo ito. Dito tanong doon taong makatamag-tamag sa kwan.
I thought we canceled going to Samal. Samal's also the Adi. You better join Sandcastle Rainbow. Also, ano ba? Tarang Coastal Road.
Oo, kana dito sa Appleton
Yonggi,
dito.
can you join Sandcastle playing tomorrow? We're going to Samal
Gani dito.
tomorrow.
Dito layo pa oy.
We're going to Samal tomorrow.
Dili man na mo dito. Ay pero dili ko diretso ano sila.
After we spin, bye-bye na si Iggy. Bali lang na siya. Oh, after we spin, we'll go to airport then. Bye-bye na si Iggy.
Babay na si EG. Babay na si EG. Kay babay naman si EG.
I did not cry.
You did not cry? Oh, very good. But Lola crying?
But why?
Because you
No
left
more
already.
More tickets?
No more
Why?
tickles.
But why Iggy won't tickle at me anymore?
You're happy because no one tickles you? No one tickle also me? No one tickle you? Huh?
But there was that Iggy.
Am I worse? No, you happy because I'm worse? Huh?
No, go away. You're good.
Mo na pong. More tickets?
Mga bukugon.
Gani no. Kaya matikas kita na bukugon.
Nadia, can you deal that Iggy will tickle at April 24th, please?
When?
April 24th, please deal.
What I deal?
That Iggy's gonna return to Davao April 24th.
Why?
The life is better with him.
You said you don't like AJ here and you will not cry
No, bro.
because no one tickles to you.
Tikal?
He's more better
Tamo,
than you.
tikal ni si Nina.
He's more.
Grabe, katikalo no. Katikalo ni tayo.
His
Yung
tickle
no,
is,
tikal.
his tickle is better than
Si Yohi kay
yours.
dili wala siya gid maano dayon. No, yung
Ha?
you're not ticklish.
Cooking.
Only Mina because very thin.
That's
Yeah,
so much.
it's because you're bad.
So many
Always mommy and Tim
Let's spot
tickle
the
you.
tickle. Killy.
Oh.
I showed you that. Taling ko to?
Oh my. better EG will turn up, and after that,
Sundri,
Tita Leah, you better call EG and make sure